Welcome to Go Lofty Academy, Express MBA. This is your shortcut to a world-class business education in just 10 minutes. We simplify powerful MBA frameworks and strategy tools into actionable insights tailored for busy leaders, founders, and changemakers who want to build smarter and grow faster. What if I told you that 90% of startups fail? Not because of bad products, but because of bad strategy. Or that even billion-dollar companies lose their edge because they're chasing growth without a clear plan. In this episode of Express MBA, we're cutting through the fluff and diving into what real business strategy looks like and how you can use it to win in any market at any stage. Let's begin with a working definition. Business strategy is a set of strategic choices and a long-term plan that explains how a company will use its resources and capabilities to achieve specific objectives and gain a competitive advantage in the market. Think of it like this. If your vision is your destination, your strategy is the GPS system that helps you get there, showing the roads you'll take, the turns you'll avoid, and the milestones that matter. It involves setting goals, choosing the right actions to achieve those goals, and aligning resources to execute effectively. Business strategy isn't something you do once a year in a PowerPoint. It's an ongoing living process that evolves with your company and your market. To build a strong strategy, you need a clear framework. Here at Go Lofty, we use a 5-question model, an end-to-end process that can guide companies from early-stage startups to billion-dollar brands. The questions are, what is our winning aspiration? Where will we play? How will we win? What capabilities must be in place? And what management systems are required? Let's unpack each one. Step 1. What is our winning aspiration? Your winning aspiration is the foundation of your business strategy. It answers the question, what do we ultimately want to achieve? But it's more than just setting a revenue target or becoming number one in your market. It's about defining your core purpose, your reason for existing beyond making money. Think of it as your organization's North Star. It guides every choice you make, from hiring and investments to product design and brand messaging. Let's look at a few examples. Tesla's aspiration isn't just to sell electric cars. It's to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Patagonia wants to make great outdoor gear, but their aspiration is to save our home planet. Even Google's original aspiration wasn't to be a tech giant. It was to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. See the pattern? These aspirations are bold, focused, and deeply human. They rally teams, they inspire customers, they attract top talent, and importantly, they help leaders say no to distractions that don't serve the bigger mission. So take a moment and ask, if we fast forward 5 or 10 years, what would winning look like for us? Not just in numbers, but in impact. What change do we want to create in the market, in our community, or in the world? That's your winning aspiration, and everything else in your strategy should align with it. Step 2, where will we play? Once you know what you aspire to achieve, the next strategic question is, where will we play? In other words, where will you choose to compete? And just as importantly, where will you not compete? This step is all about focus. Many businesses fail not because their product is bad, but because they try to serve everyone, everywhere. But the best strategies are intentional. They make trade-offs. Where to play means choosing your playing field with precision. That includes customer segments. Are you targeting startups, SMBs, or enterprise clients? Geographies. Will you focus on a single city, region, or go global? Product categories. Are you in premium, affordable, or niche offerings? Channels. Will you sell online, via partners, or through retail? Let's make this more tangible. Think of a football team. It doesn't try to defend the entire stadium. It plays within defined boundaries. Your business needs that same clarity. A strong example is IKEA. It deliberately chooses to sell flat-packed, functional furniture for middle-class families and avoids luxury, custom-made segments. Zoom, during the pandemic, focused on small to mid-sized organizations and education, rather than building a bloated enterprise suite. These companies made sharp, focused, where-to-play decisions and executed with precision. Ask yourself, what markets or segments are aligned with our strengths, and where can we create unique value? And just as importantly, which markets should we stay away from, at least for now? Defining your playing field keeps your team aligned and your resources concentrated, which is how winning strategies are built. Step 3. How will we win? Now that we know where we'll play, the next critical question is, how will we win? This is the heart of your strategy, your formula for success in the competitive game you've chosen to play. Think of it this way. Why should a customer choose you over someone else? What makes your offer better, different, or more valuable than the alternatives? This is about defining your competitive advantage, the unique value that allows you to stand out and stay ahead. You might win by offering a better product with superior features or user experience, delivering faster service or better convenience, providing lower prices through cost efficiency, creating a stronger brand or emotional connection, owning a unique distribution channel, community, or access point. Let's look at some real examples. Apple wins through innovation, premium design, and brand loyalty, not low price. Southwest Airlines wins by keeping operations simple, cutting costs, and focusing on short-haul travel, giving it an unbeatable price-to-value ratio. Airbnb redefined hospitality by creating a global network of peer-to-peer rentals, not by owning hotels, but by winning with a disruptive model. How we win is not just about what you do. It's about doing it differently in a way that's hard to replicate. Your answer to this question will drive everything from pricing and messaging to product development and partnerships. And if your answer sounds generic, like we offer great customer service, it's time to dig deeper. So ask yourself, what do we do better than anyone else? And how can we turn that into a repeatable, defendable advantage? A clear, compelling how we win gives your team focus and your customers a reason to choose you again and again. Step 4. What capabilities must be in place? A strategy without the capabilities to deliver it is just a dream. This is where we get practical. What skills, tools, and infrastructure must be in place for your strategy to work? If your strategy is to be a customer experience leader, you need deep CRM, customer service training, and fast response systems. If it's product innovation, you need R&D, product design, and iterative feedback loops. These capabilities are your engine. They must be built, nurtured, and protected. Step 5. What management systems are required? Finally, how will you support, measure, and evolve your strategy over time? This is about systems, dashboards, performance tracking, review cadences, automation tools. Without strong systems, strategy execution breaks down. Think of OKRs, KPIs, CRM tools, project management platforms, or even AI-powered analytics. Companies that scale well, like Amazon or HubSpot, do so not just because of big ideas, but because of the systems behind the scenes that ensure accountability and iteration. So let's recap. Business strategy isn't a fancy document. It's a set of clear, practical choices. What do we aspire to? Where will we play? How will we win? What capabilities must be in place? And how will we measure and manage success? Whether you're a startup founder or corporate executive, this framework is your roadmap to clarity and competitive advantage. Like this strategy deep dive. We've got plenty more coming, from pricing models and go-to-market frameworks to leadership tools and AI-driven planning. Subscribe to our channel to get more value, and go get them.